Initial sounds substitution. First grade phonics lessons with initial consonant blends. Words from the AB word family. I led these lessons. These are the objectives and Common Core standards. This word is crab. Say crab. If you change the cr in crab to sk, what word do you have? Scab. If you change the sk in scab to dr, what word do you have? Drab. If you change the dr in drab to fl, what word do you have? Flab. If you change the fl in flab to sl, what word do you have? Slab. If you change the sl in slab to bl, what word do you have? Blab. If you change the bl in blab to gr, what word do you have? Grab. If you change the gr in grab to cur, what word do you have? Crab.